How is computer vision useful for individuals? To understand the need for computer vision in our modern times, it is useful to take a step back to a few decades ago. People used to take photos on special occasions only, because photos would take time and be expensive to develop in dedicated shops. Once developed, they would take up physical space, and so we would make photo albums for our photos to be neatly classified for future reference. In our modern times, everyone has a digital camera on their phone. Photos don't take up physical space anymore, and they may be stored on the cloud. The storage capacity of the cloud is, for any practical purpose, limitless. This has led people to take photos reflexively, and there is no more incentive nor time to classify these photos manually. They all end up in an endless jumbled mess on the cloud. For all practical purposes, they end up being irretrievable by humans. This is where computer vision comes into play. Big companies, such as Google, have developed this technology to accomplish the consumer need to store and retrieve photos with ease. Google Photos, for example, has been developed to retrieve photos in three main categories relevant to individual needs: people, places, things. Neural networks are trained to recognize specific elements of an image that we call tags. When a user types in a specific tag in the search bar, the algorithm will display the photos it thinks contain that tag. This takes away the need for users to create hierarchical systems to organize photos in. These big companies had to come up with ways to train these neural networks. To train a neural network, you need data and teachers to tell the neural network what is in the data. The data comes from the wealth of photos online, and the teachers can be any regular internet users. Clever systems have been designed to train these neural networks, such as reCAPTCHA. Users are shown photos and asked to recognize what is in them to prove that they aren't robots. They are usually shown two sets of photos. For one of them, it is already known what is in the image. This one is used to test if the user is a human. For the other, it is not known. If the user is a human, the results of this test are used to train neural networks. This is done automatically, over and over again, billions of times every day, creating an efficient way to train neural networks over the petabytes of data available, helping users retrieve the photos they need, when they need them. Computer vision accompanies us naturally as we evolve technologically, helping us deal with an ever-increasing amount of data. Accompany us next time, when we will discuss the role of computer vision for the future of business.